You guys, it is 4:16. Jessica gets off work in literally 15 minutes. I have been at my house this entire day. I am not meeting up with Brody. I'm not meeting up with John. The reason for that is because John actually got broke off trying his trick. He's just done. He's over it. He got sore. He kept scraping up his back. He keeps re-injuring his back. Not like his spine, but just surface level. He keeps like reopening minor wounds, and you can only imagine how painful that is. It really sucks when you constantly reopen scabs and scratches and wounds, especially on your back, because you fall to your back a majority of the time skateboarding. But the reason I'm still literally at my house, I still have a ton of stuff to do today. It's Sunday, 4:30, my God, my computer. So I have my whole entire video edited and I was about to export it, and then some of the files weren't linked. Sometimes that happens. I don't know why, but it's insanely annoying. So I spent an extra 2 hours trying to fix this edit, so I had to find a different way to like copy and paste the files and blah blah blah, just a bunch of boring stuff that just took up so much time, and I was so frustrated. I was literally losing my damn mind, like, but it's all good now. Now I just have to play catch up today and go get my stuff done that I need to get done, go look at that apartment, pay rent, blah blah blah. Yeah, oh my God, dude, I'm so relieved that it's finally over. I just can't believe that it's already 4:30. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna go skateboard. That's what I need to do. I need to film a vlog today. I need to go skate.
Here's where it makes the most sense. I need it so you don't forget. Forget that there are places in the world that aren't made out of stone.
So I'm actually here at Silverado, the one, the only Silverado. I'm actually really stoked to be here, and I thought of coming here just because, so I'm not going to look at that apartment anymore because I was supposed to go look at it before 4, so I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But I was already in Long Beach, so I figured I would just skate Silverado for old time's sake. Can't seem to figure out how to pop this trick. That's a new one. That's a new one.
What's the fit you did?
No. I almost did a nollie bigger flip.
Oh shit,
Never done that. That was the new one. I've never done that before. Yes, I got the nollie bigger. I'm so hyped. I've never done that shit.
damn.
Oh! 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 Oh, man. Let's see. Oh,
Let's see.
no, let's do it again. Oh! That's a new trick. I've never done that before. I'm so hyped. Thank you, by the way. Thank you. Oh my God. That took forever. I'm stepping up my technical game, you guys. For all of those that tell me to do more flip tricks, I just did something I've never done. I don't even know if you can see me because I'm zoomed in. My head might be cut off, but I don't care. I want to thank you for getting in the way. No, seriously, because I did it better. I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have done it again. So I just want to talk a little bit about this section right here. So I kept doing this trick over and over again and I kept landing it. I was actually trying to do a different trick. It's funny because sometimes tricks don't go this well when you're trying a trick. But so a lot of times what I will do when I'm trying to learn a new trick or I'm trying to do something new, I will also try another trick at the same time because it allows me to like not focus so much on the trick that I'm trying and not get, how do I put this? Because I'll psych myself out if I'm thinking too much about the trick and I'll overthink it. But if I'm working on two tricks, it kind of distracts me from psyching myself out at trying the new trick. And plus, it kind of hypes me up to do it in a line. So I did these tricks over and over and over again, and I'm actually psyched that I did this many in a row. Yo, this thing is sick. What's your name?
Benji.
What is it?
Benji.
Reggie?
Benji.
Benji.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yours?
Dale. You guys, so Benji here is gonna pull me on this on his, what CCs is this?
125?
125?
Yeah.
This is a 125.
Yeah.
Does it have a clutch? No freaking way. What the hell? Wow, nice. Okay. Word. Alright, he's gonna pull me. I asked him to. No way. Nice. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I learned a new trick today. I'm very stoked on that. It's crazy. Skateboarding is literally therapeutic sometimes. Not sometimes, nearly all the time. I was having like a really, not even rough day. I was just extremely frustrated earlier and came to the skate park, just skated. I don't know what else this vlog is gonna be, but it took every frustration away and now I feel so much better. I feel like I just exhausted all of the anger that was out of me. All of my endorphins are going. I feel relaxed now. I feel great. It's so awesome. Skateboarding is literally the best thing in the world. I love it. And I want to thank you guys for liking, commenting, watching, and subscribing.